Just heard the doorbell ring. Presents. Yay! This is the freaking best protein in the world. Now, the biggest trick is to find the scooper. And doesn't look like I'm going to. Snickerdoodle has my heart. While I'm recording, here's Dan walking with weights. Hello, Dan. I'm gonna make this intro short and sweet. I'm gonna take you along in a tour of my fridge today, show you what healthy foods I like to eat on a regular basis, healthy fats, proteins, and carbs. And without further ado, here we go. What is that? Hope you guys enjoyed that quick run through of what's in the fridge and the pantry. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later. And I lost what I was going to say. This is a constant struggle.